Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. You had somebody ask, what do we do with our cutoffs and our garbage? Let me show you what we're doing. So we use just a standard 4-yard dumpster. We actually put it right here next to the CNC. And as what we're doing right now is we get a lot of cardboard, we get a lot of waste. And so we've got an old garbage can that we filled up with concrete. And we just crunch it down. We have one of these dumps a day. So we break up and smash up our small stuff that we use that's coming off the CNC, our skeleton stuff. So we're squishing it down here. And then on our larger pieces of white material, we've got several programs. These are our garage cabinet shelves. So instead of leaning them up against the wall and having all these odd sized pieces of material, we have a half a sheet of white material comes off of there. We'll go ahead and run garage cabinet shelves and then put them in inventory. So that's what we do with our fall off and our scrap. Try to do our best to keep the dumpster. We do one dump a week with that. And then let me show you how we handle sawdust. So this is our LMC dust collector. I've had this for 20 years, first piece of equipment that I bought new. It's got 3 bags on it. We've got it set up here. We're outside, so we've got a little bit of fading on it, but red, yellow, and green. When the end of the day, if the bags are in the yellow, we change them. Definitely want to change them if they're in the red, and we pull them off and we set them right here. Now, I've been trying to get rid of sawdust for years, and I got lucky recently. It's our first rain of the year today. I'm getting a little wet. We set them right here. I have got a guy that runs 12 wrecking yards in the western United States, and once a week they come by and they pick up all of our sawdust. And so by having them do that, it saved us an extra dump a week, and I want to say those are about 125 bucks a dump. So we're saving 500 a month by giving away our sawdust. Tough one to give away. It's particle board, got melamine and stuff like that. It's not usable for anything else. They use it for soaking up oil and grease and that kind of stuff in the wrecking yard, and it's perfect for them and perfect for us. I've had people also ask me, why don't we recycle it? And the bottom line is it comes down to cost. In the old days, we had a dumpster. We would have our own hopper that we would put all our scraps in, and then we would take it outside and dump that in that hopper into a big dumpster. And the price of that got ridiculously expensive. And then the guys at the dump said, we only want real wood. We don't want any of this melamine crap in there. So now it all goes into the dumpster, and they come and pick it up once a week and dump it. We pack it full. The other one I get people ask me is like, why don't I have a dump trailer? I got a guy that sells dump trailers right next door. And the reason we don't put it in a dump trailer is because it costs time and money. So it costs us about 85 bucks to dump a dump trailer, but by the time you hook up the trailer, put everything in the trailer, drive to the dump, drive back from the dump, unhook the dump trailer, all of that stuff, it's not a repeatable task. We'll just pay the guy to drive up with a garbage truck and pick it up and dump it. So that's how we handle scrap, sawdust, and wood waste at the Closet Doctor.